Hare Krishna. So the Disappearance Day of an Acharya is often a great testing time for his legacy. So Srila Prabhupada has introduced the Western countries to Krishna. He introduced Krishna to the Western countries and cleaned India of his misconceptions about Krishna. Srila Prabhupada wrote over 64 books in about 12 years, averaging 4 books a year. To achieve this, Srila Prabhupada rose around 1 a.m. each day without fail and translated. Oftentimes, Srila Prabhupada was living in poor quality accommodation with little or no heating, like in Auckland in 1972, where Prabhupada got up and it was chilly, but he put his chadar around and kept on translating. He also encouraged and enthused his followers daily through lectures, personal conversations, letters, and personal instructions. Whenever offered better accommodation, he would opt for the good association of his devotees and stay with the devotees in lesser comfort. Overall, his purpose was unique and sublime: how to make people happy by connecting them to Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, his dear friend. Whenever Srila Prabhupada presented Krishna to anyone, he was simply describing his most intimate friend in separation, and would correct anyone who speculated that his most intimate friend did not exist. By his loving care and genuine concern for his followers, he would win their hearts, as one brand new devotee mentioned in Melbourne in 1972, a few weeks after meeting with Srila Prabhupada, devotee. Prabhupada made a comment to the question and answer that really stuck with me. He said that these boys and girls have given their whole lives for Krishna. If I asked them to do anything, they would do it. That is Krishna consciousness. I remember feeling really proud that Prabhupada had said that. I was thinking the same thing. Yes, we would. We would do anything. I was thinking that if Prabhupada asked me to jump off a cliff, I'd do it, because they had so much faith in him. But how is this faith different to the exploitative gurus who abuse their followers? The difference is in the Acharya's legacy. As an Acharya is one who represents the goal, Krishna, and how to attain him without ever attempting to usurp Krishna's position. The Acharya is who has the ability to present sacred text in a clear and concise way for the benefit of the spiritually challenged. Only such an Acharya has the ability to create a lasting institution, such as ISKCON, that will not only represent his teachings, but will go on sheltering all sincere truth seekers for decades after his disappearance. The Acharya shows the pitfalls and the ways to prevent falling prey to them. But above all this, the Acharya himself is the glue of this all-encompassing legacy. Therefore, cooperation based on love for the Acharya amongst the followers is the catalyst of the survival of his legacy. As the saying goes, one can judge the trees by the fruits they bear. Therefore, on the Disappearance Day of our founder Acharya, we must renew our commitment to not only maintain his legacy, but to increase it by introducing more lost souls to Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Only then will Srila Prabhupada be increasingly known, appreciated, and glorified in the decades to come around the world. The best way to glorify Srila Prabhupada is to carefully study his books and to carefully and intelligently apply them in our daily lives. The answers to all our questions are in Srila Prabhupada's books. Only with this kind of understanding shall we be able to truly glorify Srila Prabhupada and become the type of follower who understands what the Master wants before it's even mentioned. Such mature fruits of the great tree are very much wanted, and they are a true representation of the unlimited glories embodied in Srila Prabhupada, the true Acharya. So today on Srila Prabhupada's Disappearance Day, we sincerely pray for intelligence and devotion to serve His divine grace, to maintain and improve His transcendental legacy, ISKCON. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Thank you very much.